one day he called me and said, you know what, I think I found something. Really? Then go for it. Let's go find out, see what it is. When I work in here, the first week I start building boxes. So the boxes line. So do the interior, doing the roofs, all that kind of stuff. And they see that I was faster learning, so I learned all that stuff. And from there I start moving out. So they start teaching me how to do electrical stuff. I learned that really fast too. So after that they send me to welding training. I catch that pretty fast too. So right now I can do almost anything on here.
Believe man, okay, it is. So I have to make sure everybody's staying busy, make sure they got everything that they need to actually complete the job. If they have any questions, I try to answer them to the best of my ability, and I have to just move people around, make sure that every single stage has the proper personnel to complete it. You know, when you sit in the room, I gotta tell them, hey,
Listen to again. I love what I do, and so I like my job. Yeah, I love it. I'm happy where I am right now. My name is Fernando Garcia Calderon. I'm a Knapheide installer.
I am Fernando Garcia Medina, and I am a Knapheide lead man.